Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing those stubborn dark circles staring back at you? Whether it's from sleepless nights, stress, or just genetics, dark circles can make us look tired and older than we really are. But here's the good news: you don't need expensive creams or treatments to fix this. In today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of dark circles naturally using simple remedies you can try at home. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding the causes. Before we dive into the remedies, let's talk about what causes dark circles. They're not just about lack of sleep. Some common reasons include genetics. Yes, you can thank your family for this one: lack of sleep. This is the most common culprit. Stress and fatigue. Mental and physical exhaustion can show up on your face. Dehydration. When your body lacks water, it's visible around the delicate eye area. Allergies. Conditions like hay fever can worsen under-eye puffiness and discoloration. Sun exposure. Overexposure can increase melanin production, darkening the skin around your eyes. Understanding the root cause can help you find the right solution. Now, let's look at some natural remedies. Segment 2. Natural remedies to try at home. 1. Cucumber slices. Cucumber isn't just a spot eclipse, it's packed with antioxidants and has a cooling effect. Here's what you do. Slice a chilled cucumber into thick rounds. Place them on your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat daily for best results. 2. Potato juice. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agents that lighten dark circles. Try this. Grate a raw potato and extract the juice. Soak a cotton pad in the juice and place it over your eyes. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. 3. Cold milk. Milk is a soothing agent for your skin. It also contains lactic acid, which can help lighten pigmentation. Dip a cotton ball in cold milk. Apply it to the dark areas and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. 4. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and is great for hydrating the delicate under-eye skin. Here's how to use it. Take a few drops of almond oil and gently massage it under your eyes before bedtime. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. 5. Tea bags. Used tea bags can work wonders thanks to their caffeine content and antioxidants. To use. Chill used green or black tea bags in the fridge. Place them on your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat a few times a week. Segment 3. Lifestyle tips for prevention. Now that we've covered remedies, let's talk prevention. These small changes can go a long way. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eat a balanced diet. Include foods rich in vitamin C, E, and iron. Use sunscreen. Protect your under-eye area with SPF daily. Manage allergies. Consult a doctor for effective treatments. And there you have it. Simple, natural ways to reduce dark circles at home. Remember, consistency is key.